Hey guys, what's going on? Josh back here with another video, coming from a new old space. So this was the original workshop shed, yeah, and kind of purposed it into a office, like a digital space, of 3D printing, computer work, all that sort of stuff. It's turning out really well at the moment, so I'm happy about that. Anyway, I have got an awesome project for you today, and that will be a design of my own, which is a Batman lamp. So I'm making this for my brother as a prototype, potentially sell these in the future, and yeah, in this you'll see some renderings, you'll see some video work on the computer, you'll see some renderings, you'll see some recording of the 3D printer. We'll voice over some of the renderings that we've got in the CAD system, and yeah, that's what we'll do today. So I hope you all enjoy the video. Hey guys, so you can see this now. I think I've got everything set up, and now you can see the rendering that is on the screen. Let's get it on the right screen. Yeah, this is the rendering we've got. So what you'll notice about this is there's a few different layers and different elements to the design. So first we'll start off with the batarang, then we've got the base plate, then we've got the scaffolding, light shade, hinge, and then handles. Sorry if you can hear the 3D printer going in the background. There's not much you can do about that. So yeah, this is heavily influenced by Batman. We kind of called it the Joker lamp, so to speak, Batman Joker, as you'll notice by the colour ranges and stuff like that. I thought it was quite interesting as I was designing it. Brother loved it. So this is the batarang base, and as we already gone through it, and as you can see, it's all heavily influenced, and put my own twist on it. You'll notice here, if you can render in a bit better, that there's some set downs and everything like that in the design of the Batman, and that's really cool. Let me just drag the way out of there. So yeah, I've spent a lot of time on this design and I think it's fantastic. So yeah, let's go to the 3D printer, get some thumbnails in there, we'll do a bit of talking, and let's get this done. Hope you'll enjoy. So I'm not going to go too much into the design in this one, and I'm going to try and not talk too much if possible, because what I find is that for somebody who struggles so much talking, I never seem to shut up. Yeah, so I don't really like to go into design because my own process, everybody has their own process, and I find that I don't want to influence people. I want people to have their own creative freedom, and if I show you how I do things, what I do, so forth and so on, then you're not going to get your own, you're not going to have your own creative flow, and I don't think that's a good thing. So all I'm going to say is I took some inspiration from Batman, looked on Google, found what was most common in the films, and kind of worked with my brother, and that's the way we went. We kind of created our own thing, and that's what I'd like to see yourselves do. So yeah, influence from where you need to, take some inspiration, and design your own thing. That's always a good thing. Hey guys, so I hope you all enjoyed that video. This has been a fantastic project. It's gone on for quite a while actually, due to needing different things like metal inserts and blow heat torches, just setting up the digital space really for everything, because I'm not like a conventional 3D printer and stuff like that, and I mainly work with metal, so some of the ways I've done things probably isn't the correct way of doing it in a 3D printed way, and there's probably a few things that are not common and probably not right, but you'll have to forgive me. This turned out absolutely fantastic. I didn't realise how long it takes to get supports out of things. Honestly, it's ridiculous. But yeah, I've really enjoyed this. There's been a lot of challenging things about it, and it's just been really enjoyable. So please forgive the times in between videos with managing my companies and daily living and different things like that. It's just not possible to get a video out as much as I'd want, so please do forgive that, and I will try to get a video up as much as possible. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed this one. Please rate, comment, share and subscribe. Also, links in the description for my companies, Manchester Grinders and Onyx Tool Company Limited. You'll see that all in the description. And I think that's about it. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.